Hey! You are watching Designingly, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to create Chrome logo in Adobe Illustrator. I have created an artboard of size 1080 pixels high and 1080 pixels wide. Now I will select the ellipse tool and draw the circle by pressing Command Shift and Alt. I will turn the fill to none and draw other circle the same way.
If I changed everything, the way I walk, the way I breathe, will my fate shift into the night? But here I am, same old thing, sinking deep, no ecstasy. Reality haunts the living mind.
Then I will draw 3 different paths by using Line tool.
If I saw another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to realize. 'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the same mistake. Darling, will you go away? Won't be as simple for you.
Then I will select all the paths, and by using the Live Paint bucket tool I will add colors to all the shapes. If you guys have any questions, comment below. And if you enjoy the video, like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.